this is one of my favorite dashboards, the call reporting dashboard. And there's no tech talk here. This is very simple. You answer your phones, you get more business. If you don't, you won't. And if you're not answering 50% of your calls, there's a good chance that you could probably double your business just by taking care of this problem. So what you do when you log into app.go agency, you're going to go scroll over here to reporting, and then you're going to scroll over here to the top to call report. Okay. Now here, you're going to want to put in the dates. What are you holding people accountable for? Are you holding for weekly calls, daily? You want to go back and see how a certain person's answering on a certain day, certain hours. You can do that here by scrolling down. These are call sources for our lead gen, which is nice, deals won, those kind of things. But this is a little touchy here, and I always have to explain it. So this little scroll here lets you scroll back and forth. You can see contact name, who called in, what number they called, the source, call completed. But this is probably what you want to see right here. You can listen to the call and see what their demeanor is, right? So here we go. Let's listen to that again.
Angry Joe, it's Kat speaking.
Oh, yeah, I need a to-go order.
There you go. All right. I also remember that this business was not taking phone orders. And when they started taking phone orders, they increased their sales by 20%. So let's look at a few others here. I'm not going to call anybody out, but I did look in a few other accounts. And let's take this. And I saw this. Here we go. 9% went to voicemail. They answered 29%. They were busy. I don't know why the phone is busy. Our system never is busy. It can handle multiple calls, but I guess they don't have call waiting there. And they missed 52% of their calls since November. I don't know what to say, guys. If you're not looking at these dashboards, and the other thing you can do is go in and you could actually, you can go to the client by clicking right here. It will open it up. And you can see if they've called in before, what the history is. You can actually, if you don't like listening to it there, you can actually view the transcript. So you can cut and paste these transcripts in, give them to the person to answer the call, help them improve. That's the call reporting. Again, you can't find this on the app, but you got to log into app.go agency and go to the reporting section over here, down here, and then call report. There you go. I hope you found this video helpful and you are increasing sales in 2026.